here. That's a beast. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray. We got my little brother in the building, guys. I'm about to take him for his first ride in the G8, man. First ride in the G8. I just got the windows painted in the G8. They got. I'm gonna have to spray something to get that off. That's looking real ugly to me, so I'm gonna have to get some awesome to spray that off. So I just got my windows tinted. Y'all seen that video already. Embarrassed myself trying to goddamn do a burnout out of there, but it's all good. So we got a little bro in the building, man. About to get y'all a little you know what I'm saying, a little footage. I'm about to probably just take him around the corner. Nothing too major. I'm trying to see if I gotta go somewhere or something real quick. You gotta, where you wanna go, do you? Yeah, so I don't really know if I want to go somewhere, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation if you haven't done so already. Follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram. Link in the description, guys. My Facebook, everything's in the link in the description, guys. Everything, every link you're gonna need is in the description, bruh. wehustledaily.com. You want to learn how to buy and sell, properly inspect cars, check out cars at the auction. Make sure you go to that website, because that's where you're going to learn not to get a lemon, guys. Because guess what? You could buy a car and you could be crying. I bought a lemon, and then y'all hit me up on the Instagram. I bought a lemon, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get my money back. Did you go get the academy? That's be my question to y'all. Be like, did you go get the WHD academy? I'll be like, nah, bro. I don't know. I know I need a haircut, y'all. I got some good hair though, and those ain't bald spots, bro. Don't want nobody thinking them bald spots, man. This is good hair right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is, that's like a swirl. Anyway, it is. But anyway, we about to get on the road, take a little bro on the ride. I ain't really got nowhere to go. We can go to the QT real quick. Give me a slushie. That kind of, I'm in a slushie mood. I want a slushie. So you ready? Let's go. You ain't never been in here before, y'all, so I'm gonna take y'all. Let me get up out of the neighborhood, because y'all can't see where we at type stuff, you know what I'm saying? We can't have that, so let me get up out of here and then we'll record back. All right. Oh damn, I got the music playing. Hold on, y'all. Look. Ready to blow out the scene. Baby, calm down, baby. Sorry. Traction control on and everything, y'all. Let me take them on. Hold up. Woo! Push. Hold up. That's why I didn't fucking have traction control off last video. Tweaking. That's why I didn't spin when I wanted it to spin, because I had traction on. Okay. Let's see. Up here, y'all, so we gotta calm down. This whole time, bro, I thought I had traction control on, dog. I didn't have it off. I had the traction control off. Like, even in the last video when y'all see me trying to, oh, let me get this for y'all. We got an accident. Y'all check that out. Oh, well. Did he run? What happened? Oh, yeah, he did have an accident, though. fragile with it, but it's hard to be fragile when you got this power. And if y'all ain't seen my last video, when I raced that Camaro SS, took off on, he hit the gas, I hit the gas right afterwards, and like I seen him hit the pedal to the metal. Man, I hit my pedal to the metal, took off on him. He was keeping up, we was like this, and then I just, you know what I'm saying, scooted away from him. You know what I'm saying, that 6.0 ain't no joke. 6.0, he had a 6.2, so it's like, you know, 0.2 bigger motor, but that cam, dog, it don't matter, bruh. That cam in the motor, hold on, I'm trying to goddamn gonna do a little something else, but they in the way. It's getting hot. We're gonna open the door for a minute when we pull over. We about to stop at a little red light, y'all, so. Ooh, it's hot. She say 5 days. Okay. 5 days I can't raise my window down. 5 days, man. Ooh, let the breeze in. Yeah, 5 days. Let the breeze in real quick. I'm talking it off there, so. We gotta breathe, y'all. We gotta breathe. Can't even do nothing, y'all. Yeah, the light's still on. It ain't closed all the way. Hold on. We about to pull over anyway at this QT. You want a slushie?
Yeah, I'll take one.
What color you want? I'm getting a red.
I get blue.
Blue. If they don't got blue, what you get?
I get red.
Alright. Yeah, so y'all, I can't do nothing. But on the way back, might be able to do something. So let me pull over here to the gas station. Show y'all what the G8 looking like. Oh, I didn't even just finish off my whole video. I gotta do all that up here. We're gonna do all that up here. As a matter of fact, too busy taking pictures from Instagram. I got a little bro too busy taking pictures from Instagram. Wrong fools, y'all. Wrong fools. I'm still waiting on the title for my Lexus, y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all something like. How that door is doing, I do not want my Lexus doors to be like that when I fix it. That will make me sell it because it will be on my side. Well, I guess maybe since it's on my side, it'll actually be better because I know that I gotta shut the door a certain type of way. You know what I'm saying? Passengers, they don't really know how hard they gotta shut the door because some people be slamming my goddamn door, and then some people don't hit the door, just hit it. You know what I'm saying? Just hit it. You know, hard enough. So we pulling over here on QT. Let me show y'all what this bad boy looking like. I'll show y'all right now. Pull up on the scene on these folks. Go and pull up on over there on the side. Put on the side. I put them tints on my ride. I told her, baby, ain't no excuse now. We can really get nasty inside. Yeah, I told her. Ugh. All right, Patrick time. Show y'all the car one more time real quick. Well, not one more time, but y'all seen the car plenty of times. Y'all seen the last video, but the windows tinted. In this video, y'all ain't seen it. Y'all make sure y'all check out last video because I just got the windows tinted, man. Y'all see what's going on, my friend. So I'm gonna get, and I think I did good with the windows tinted because you can't even see bro inside. Look, you can't see him, bro. Look, you can't see him, dog. Stop joking around. You got that black interior, that's why. And then when you go to the front, you can kind of see him in the front a little bit. Not even really, for real. Depending on, I guess, where the sun is. But let me go inside here, get my slushie. I'll be right back. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Wow, y'all, I don't know if I was recording. That's crazy. All that for Jay, I don't think I was recording, bro.
Hello?
Damn, I gotta see. What's I recording?
This is my video now. Hold on. What's up, We Hustle Daily?
Y'all, I was not recording. And I got on the highway. Everything was not recording, bro. That's crazy, y'all. So, man, it what it is. Anyway, tell me what you think about the car again. He done already told y'all what he thought, but you gotta tell y'all again.
I said it sound beautiful.
You said it sound beautiful. That's exactly what he said too. He said it sound beautiful. Ooh, I do need to go that way for real though. He said it sound beautiful. Yeah, I told him, you know, I could get an exhaust and everything on it, but you know, to me it's not that serious. Oh man, I was talking about a whole lot of stuff. I was talking about the freaking headliner, how y'all can see the headliner, like, but I can't really see the headliner, so it doesn't bother me. I'm looking out the window, guys. So like, somebody told me they can do the headliner for, some people in the comments was like 100. Somebody in person told me 200. I forgot who told me that, but that's definitely not happening. Not for no headliner, but he said it'd be suede type. You see somebody?
No, you go. We'll go right now. You already did that.
Yeah, it's a little bit too much traffic right here. To go crazy on it. A little too much traffic to go crazy, y'all. So, know it is what it is, shawty. But little bro like it. There's nothing up here. There's nothing up here for me to see, y'all. Nothing. Y'all see it. Y'all see the headliner. Like little bro said, which y'all didn't hear, but he can't even see. He can't even see the. Ain't nobody looking up here, y'all. Y'all looking up here because y'all see the camera and y'all just see us, and y'all can see it and it look ugly to y'all. But it doesn't bother me. Bother me, y'all. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade out. I know I mentioned spray painting it, but I don't even want to inhale them fumes. I don't even want to inhale them fumes. We got a Challenger right by us. Do he want to race me, bro? You gotta hit me. You don't want to race, do you? You got the same kind of color I got too. He don't want to race though. He's scared. That 5.7 can't handle this cammed 6.0. Y'all know that. Feel me? He don't want to race no way. He don't want to do it. Love this car, y'all. Not gonna flex, but hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video, man. I literally got on the highway and all of that. They can't drive. Like, why would you even do that? My fellow dealers. Oh, okay. He thought he gonna, I guess, bro. But, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. We have little bro in the building. You still don't got no Instagram or nothing for him, right?
Nope.
Still don't got no Instagram or nothing for y'all. No gamer tag, no nothing. Sorry, guys. But shouts out to the whole entire Hustle Nation. Hopefully this video wasn't a total fail because, like I say, I was recording. Like when we left the gas station, after we got our slushies, I got the red, he got the blue. Good. Sweet though, real sweet. But good. After we left there, I thought I hit the camera. I guess I just set the camera up here and didn't hit the record button, man. I just peeked just now and I thought I didn't have a record. Thought I didn't have a record button on, but we good to go, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. WHD Academy. Why did they do that to that freaking Tahoe over there? Look, alright. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Appreciate y'all. I love you guys. Follow me on all social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Everything's in the link in the description below. Everything is in the link in the description below, y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. It's your boy Big Play.